All right, good afternoon. I'm down here at lock number 3 of the Welland Canal. There's a vessel here I want to capture. I need to get some shots of this vessel, which is the FedNav, the Federal New York, which is just in the lock here, just being raised. So we'll go up to the viewing platform and we'll get a closer look of it. But once it comes out of here, I'm gonna go further down the canal and get the drone up and get some really nice shots of it, because the sun has now come out, the cloud is parting, it's going to the north, so which is nice. So we'll head out down that, we'll head up the lock later on and get some better shots, but I want to get a nice close-up of the stack on this particular vessel, because a lot of people are wondering, like myself, why is this stack so big on this ship? Well, later on, I'll tell you, but in the meantime, let's go and have a look.
We've actually had quite a bit of snow.
Always it's a nice busy Sunday afternoon here at lock number 3, as you can tell. Anyway, what I want to do now is just get ahead of it and just go up to the next bridge, which is Glendale, and get the drone up. Just check my permissions on the drone, make sure it's okay to fly. And I'll get the drone up and I'll get a nice shot of that stack, because now the sun is fully out, it's going to be nice. All right, we're just in line with the bow right now. And she's going to start her propulsion any moment now and start moving forward, because the lock gates are now open and she's free to go. And then she moves. Just inching forward ever so slightly. There you go. Just about see it moving now with the naked eye. And she's away. Right, let's get on down to Glendale as quick as we can and then get the drone up.
Now, this is the Federal New York. A sleek, modern bulk carrier from FedNav. And from the air, she looks every bit the part. Powerful, elegant, efficient, but then your eyes go to the back. That thing rising above the stern. A funnel so massive it could double as a condo tower in downtown Toronto. Seriously, it's huge. All the FedNav ships had neat compact exhaust stacks. This one looks like it's been to the gym and taken every protein shake in existence. So what on earth is going on here? Well, the truth is, it's not just a funnel anymore. Inside, there's a small city of pipes, filters and tanks. Because this ship, like all new FedNav builds, has to meet some of the world's toughest emission standards. It's fitted with scrubbers that literally wash the exhaust to remove sulfur. And then there is selective catalytic reduction, a clever system that injects chemicals into the exhaust stream to cut the nitrogen oxides. In short, it doesn't just belch out smoke, it cleans it first. All that tech takes space, a lot of space. So instead of a thin stack, you get this towering, squared off funnel housing everything neatly inside. It's an engineering solution disguised as a design statement. And it's not just for today's emissions, oh no, this funnel is future-proofed. There's extra room inside for alternative fuel systems, things like LNG or methanol, which are cleaner and more efficient. There are ducts for ventilation, sensors for efficiency, and equipment that keeps noise and heat under control. So while it looks like a giant steel box, it's actually a highly tuned environmental machine. It's also much quieter than older ships. Better sound insulation means less vibration, less noise, and happier crews who don't feel like they're living inside a washing machine. So yes, the funnel on the Federal New York is big. Comically big. But it's also a symbol of how far shipping has come. Cleaner, smarter, ready for the next century of Great Lakes trade. What used to be just a smokestack is now a monument of engineering, and a reminder that even in the world of bulk carriers, progress can look absolutely massive.
Wow, so what do you think of that one? That was actually a really good capture, and I'm glad I came down today to capture that. FedNav, New York, here in Welland Canal, entering lock number 4 right now, and it's making its way down to Detroit. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed learning about that funnel, the smokestack, which is on the ship, that big box. Now you know what it means and what it's all about. So you learned something new today along with me. That's the good thing about this channel. I learn as I go along, and I'm sharing it with you. So anyway, from the Welland Canal, I'd like to thank you for watching. Stay safe, see you all very soon, and until the next video, take care of one another. That was really fucking good.